Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and today I have banana and walnut bread recipe to share. It has a hint of lemon in the bread, and it is good to top with lemon frosting or lemon icing if you like it. If not, you can leave it as is. They are mini. They made about 4 mini loaves, and it's pretty good. It's still fresh. It's still warm to the touch because I just baked it. But the boys are having them at the moment in the living room, in the dining room. Look at me, I am mumbling and made a lot of mistakes. Anyways, check out the full video to see the recipe for this banana and walnut bread. See you soon. Bye. So for the dry ingredients, what I have is 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and then here is half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix them properly. And then I have 2 handful, well, my handful is like this, 2 handful of walnut. We're gonna chop it, and 4 super ripe bananas. That's why I'm making this. And here I have a half cup of sugar. I'm gonna mash the banana with the sugar, and then I'm gonna add other ingredients like lemon juice and liquid. You can use water, milk, or nut milk, or oat milk, rice milk, whichever you have. So yeah, that's about it. Or vanilla flavoring too if you want to add vanilla flavoring, but I'm gonna show it on the video more. So just roughly chop the walnut. So I'm using about 4 banana. They are not large banana, and I have 4 that's super ripe, so I don't want to waste anything. But if your banana is large, 3 is enough. 3 should be enough. So just give them a mash and mix it with the sugar. Now into the banana, mashed banana, you want to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a stir, and also 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now we're gonna add the liquid or milk, dairy-free or nut milk or oat milk, rice milk, whichever you have. And that is 1/4 cup. And again, mix it. And this is the time when you want to add vanilla flavoring, but if you want it more to lemony flavor or strong banana flavor, leave it as is. Now we're gonna mix it with the dry ingredients. So this is the dry ingredients. Again, it was flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder, and just mix it properly. And then we're gonna pour in the wet ingredients, which is the banana mixture, and then we're just gonna mix it, but not over mixed. So just combine. Just fold it gently until just combine. Do not over mix. And now we're gonna add the chopped walnut. Again, mix it to just combine, not overly mixed. Batter is ready. Just scoop with ladle and drop it into a loaf pan, or what I have here is mini loaves, so it will be mini banana bread. So now they're ready to be baked. So just preheat your oven to 350, and we're gonna bake it for 45 minutes at least. until knife inserted in center comes out clean. Oven's ready, so preheat at 350 for 45 minutes. It's a loaf of banana bread with walnuts,